Right, the restoration of my bonnet. Starts today. Now actually this bonnet ain't that bad. I think that is just a very light bit of surface scuff on here. I'm gonna get it off. A lot of you have said, you know, the proper fellas peel this back. Not sure, might not need to. I'll see how it goes. The problem I've got with my car, my green car, is when you put the boot in, on this side, the gap is about a millimetre too big. It's awful. I know it sounds pedantic, but it actually isn't. When you actually offer in a proper boot, you know, like this, not an aftermarket manufactured one or a pattern part, when you lay it in, down here there's a gap that's up to 2 mil, and then it tapers back down to a mil. Whether the car has had a bit of damage or not, I don't know. So I'm making this, and the idea of it will be that will go on there. Does that make sense? Now I don't know the width of what I've got to trim it back to at this stage, so the reason why it's painted black is because I'm going to be marking it out to get a parallel line all the way down, and then I'll be drilling one, well, I don't know, 10-15 holes to spot weld it in, because I've also got to spot weld all these up as well. Once I've got my car back, then I can determine the width of what it needs to be for the perfect gap afterwards. But anyway, this is part one of the boot video. I know it looks a bit scruffy at the moment, but it actually fits quite well. Yeah, I'll got a long way to go, but this is the start of it, part one.